JD.
What's up, my boys? How you guys been? How about camera focus? Woozah. There we go. What's up, my boy? Hello. That was really strange. Your profile pic looks kind of like Fractures, and I had a small seizure there for a second. I was like, hold up. Fractures' name is changing. Yeah. Okay, boys. I won't lie to you. I procrastinated hard starting the stream. Hard. I went climbing with my boy. That was fun. But then I proceeded to come home and scroll on YouTube Shorts for literally forever. Now that I think about that, I actually did not change the name of this stream. We'll have to do that at a later date. Tell me, what is the name of it? If you'll look beside it, what is the name of it? Just copy and paste it into chat real quick, because I can't really find it. But yeah, so unfortunately, work is something we're gonna have to get to at a very, very soon time. Live aggressively learning to program. You know what? That fucking works. Thank you, my boy. Thank you, as always. Loyal member of the kingdom against Clinkas. Thank you. I appreciate you, my guy. Oh, unfortunately, yeah, we have to whip out. We're not even on a lunch break, and we have to whip out the demon timer because I got to be to work at. Jesus Christ. Fuck. Okay. Not even an hour. We have not even an hour to learn as much Python as we can possibly fit in our fucking noggins, okay? As much as we can, okay? It's time to lock the fuck in, okay? Put your cocks away, boys. Let's get on our, let's get to work. Let's get to work, boys, yeah? Let's get to work. Demon clock is up. Let's see, how many milligrams of caffeine consuming today? 160 milligrams. Let's get to it. We're going like this, like this. We're going like this, this. We're going to go, no need for a Pomodoro thing today because we have to get locked the fuck in quickly. Let's open up PyCharm, wherever the fuck that might be. Right there it is. I had 3 hours of sleep last night. I was supposed to get to a rock climbing session early today, this morning, and dude, I was like having freaking like fever dreams because like, oh no, am I gonna miss it? Oh no, am I gonna miss it? Because I live in Moab, Utah. It's probably it's world renowned for climbing. Instead, we decided to climb up the Indian Ladder. If you don't look that up, it's pretty famous little piece of Indian ladder. It was pretty cool, actually. It was pretty cool. Yeah, so we went and did Indian ladder this morning instead of rock crawling because homie flaked on us, unfortunately. He was probably sleeping. You know what? That's okay. But yeah, and now we are here, locked and cocked and ready to flock. It's gonna be a great time. It's gonna be a great time. You know what we know, what we need. Wait. That's a little loud. That's a little loud. We're like this. Let me know if that's too quiet, too loud, too much, too little. New headphones. They're shittier than the last one. Actually, they might be. You can't see them, but they're new headphones. Hold up, by the way, this. Hold on. I'm on. There we go. Okay, boys. Let's go like this. I appreciate all you boys for being here. If you want, you can just put this in the background. You know, you don't have to watch the whole thing. I do appreciate you for being here, though. Sincerely, I appreciate it. What's up, my boy? What is up? Thank you all for being here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are why I get up in the morning. Cheers to you guys. And let's learn some fucking Python, yeah? Okay, this is still a little bit loud. That's okay, though. Okay, so where did we leave off? We kind of left off at a weird spot. I think we already done this. Okay. Let's see. Change item in the list. We already done this, right? We can change the index. It doesn't really matter. We'll overwrite it. Blah 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 blah. We learned that. Blah 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 blah. Know the length of the blah blah. We did this last night. Let's see. Do we remember? Let's see if we remember what we did last night. Okay. What will be the result of the following syntax? My list equals blah 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 blah. My list equals 0 equals kiwi. My list my list 1. So that's gonna be the banana. Banana, right? I would assume. Or does this inserting this, does it turn it into apple? Does making 0, oh, it injects it. It injects it. So apple is gonna move forward 1. Apple's gonna move forward 1. Yeah, I'm thinking. So I'm thinking it's gonna be apple. It's either apple or banana. I think it's gonna insert kiwi at 0, and it's gonna move everything else forward 1. So it's gonna be apple. Let's see. Please. Fuck me. We're already off to a great start. Fuck me. Okay, so it was indeed banana. Hold up. Let's go back. We need to go back to that question. I need to see. I would like to see it. Try again. Okay. So when you're doing this, this is overriding it. So this is overriding apple, the position. So whenever you do this, you can do like stuff like this, right? Let's go right here. You can go like this. Control C. Best two bits on the keyboard. And go bam. Control V. And then we're gonna go like this. Okay. So you can do this, right? To where well, yeah, we get it. We assumed something. We understand this. There's no need to go into any more depth. Let's continue, boys. Okay. So banana. What is the position? What is the thing of the? Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be banana. Okay. Wonderful. Next question. Okay. Change the value from apple to kiwi in the fruits list. Wait, change the value from apple to kiwi. Oh. Fruits. Oh, that's a R. Fruits equals. Wait, am I doing this right? Yeah, fruits equals. No, I need to do this. Fruits bracket. So apple, so that's gonna be 0. Bam, bam. And we're gonna go like this. He said kiwi, Kiwi. Strange fruit. That looks right. Kiwi. Of course we got that right. Because we're intellects. Because we're intellects in the highest order. Ah. Oh, if you haven't, go do the poll inside of the gaming channel inside the Discord. We're going to be getting a Minecraft server up a lot sooner than I thought. Because it's a lot cheaper than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like $80. It's $30. It's $30 a month. That's cheap. So go do that poll. Okay, let's continue. Next question. Let's see. What will be the result of the following syntax? My list equals banana or apple banana. Gee, the dyslexia is palpable. Okay. My list equals apple banana cherry. My list. Interesting. We're not gonna run this, but we're just so we can like see it. We're not gonna run it though. Okay. So we have to find the following syntax. What is this gonna end up spitting out? And these are our options. Okay. So my list equals apple. Hold up. Get cozy. Okay. My list equals apple, banana, cherry. My list now starting at position 1, so that's banana, going to 2, so only banana is being changed. 0, 1, 2, because this is excluded, but number 1 is included, so only banana is going to be changed to kiwi and mango. So it's going to go apple, kiwi, mango, cherry. So position 2 is going to be 0, apple, kiwi 1, mango 2. I believe it's going to be mango. Let's see. My intellect is beyond this 3 dimensions in which we inhabit. Yeah, that's right. I went to kindergarten. Bitch. I went to kindergarten. Oh. Is it? Is this something else? Didn't I just do this? Wait, my list goes apple, banana, insert. Oh, we haven't done insert yet. Okay. Next list. Okay. Append items. We have learned about the wonderful append thing. So this right here, all it's going to do is the dot append. It's going to add it, and it's going to obviously change the negative index. The regular index is going to remain the same, but this is going to change the negative index. So now instead of cherry being -1, it's going to be -2 because orange is going to become -1. So, that makes sense. Let's continue. To insert a list into to insert a list item at a specific index, use the insert, not brackets. Not brackets. Why? I feel like it should be brackets. You know what I mean? I feel like it should be brackets. But yeah, so to insert an item into a specific link, we already know how to do this. But as you guys know, we are just this is new structure. We kind of already gotten down all the way to here, but we're just structure. So insert bam. Okay, wonderful. The I wonder. Okay, insert. I'm assuming it does not replace it. Yeah. Okay, the insert method inserts an item at the specific index. We got that. Insert an item at the specific. Okay, blah 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 blah. Who cares? This looks wonky. Okay. This list equals apple, banana, cherry. This list dot insert. We have to do the position, and then we do what we're inserting. 0, 1. So now this should be apple, orange, banana, cherry. I believe. I can only prospect apple, banana. Wait. Yeah, apple, orange, banana, cherry. Wonderful. This makes sense. Holy shit, dude. I drank like way too much caffeine at one moment. And it's like the same as pre-workout, where you get like the tingling in the back of the skull. It feels divine. Let me tell you, yeah? It feels fucking divine. Okay. Okay. Let's continue this, boys. We're on a roll right now. We've already learned more in the past 10 seconds than weeks prior. Okay, this makes sense. Note. As a result of this example above, the line will be now contain 4 items. Yeah, obviously. No shit. Oh, what's up, my boy? What's up, my boy? I hope you're having a swell time. I hope you're having a swell time, my friend. Very swell. Thank you. Thank you for being here in chat. Thank you, my boy. I thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, extend list. Ooh, extend. So insert would be just insert anywhere. Let's see. My name is Pretty. Hold up. I need to be able to pronounce this. Hold up. We need to be able to pronounce this. Oh, we found you. You look handsome, by the way. How do I pronounce the name? That'd be so funny if that was actually you, though. That'd be crazy. That would be like the most Giga Chad fucking ever. What am I talking about? Of course it's you. What am I talking about? You know what? Actually, you look more handsome than this. Wait, okay, we're gonna try to say this. So, pratique, pratique. Nah, bro. Nah. I can't do it. I can't do it, my friend. Pratique. I don't know how close I am. Like, wait, how to pronounce? When we can do. Eation. I know that's not how you spell pronunciation. Wait, pratique. Yeah. Pratique. Yeah, that sounds right. Pratique. What's up, my boy Pratik? I can only assume you're from India because your name has India instead of the name. Who knows? Who knows? You might be Mongolian or something. Who knows? But the odds are slim. What's up, Pratik from India? Okay. So we're going to do the dot extend. Okay. You make me laugh, my friend. You make me laugh. All right. To append? Wait. I thought we were doing extend. Yeah, extend list. To append. Okay. To append elements from another list. To the current list, use the dot extend. My codename is Raphael. You can call me Raphael. Is it Raphael or Raphael? So 1, Raphael. 2, Raphael. Raphael. Okay. When you say the same word over times, it starts sounding strange. It's like index. It's like it's strange, you know. Okay. All right. To append elements from another list to the current list. From another list to a current list, use the dot extend. Okay. Why couldn't I just use the dot append? I bet it'll explain that. Say Raphael. It's a Raphael. Ah, dude, I'm lost. Okay, to append elements from another list to the current list, use the dot extend method. Okay, I feel like that could be achieved with the dot insert, but we'll see. Add the element of tropicals to this list. Oh. Okay, so it would be like this. It would be this list, so it'd be apple, mango, cherry, and then it would add on tropicals. But why the fuck couldn't you just? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. Yeah, you're silly, my friend. You're a silly guy. You know what I mean? You are a silly guy. No, no, we do not have such a luxury in these parts of the internet. No such thing. But that's okay. We are actually more than okay with this. We are more than okay with this. Okay, instead of doing extend, what we're gonna do is do insert. Oh, we need to make sure we spell this correctly, otherwise we're gonna have a seizure. Insert at, let's see, 0, 1, 2. What if we were to do what if we were to do 3? Let's do 3. 3 comma that. Tropical. I don't know if this is right, but the fuck are these questions, gang? Vibe codings are... Excuse me. Vibe coders be dominating the chat. What? I'm a little lost in that, my friend. That's okay, though. Oh, look at that. So you can do the exact same thing. Then what the fuck's the point of this? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the actual fuck is happening right here? What the actual fuck is happening right here? Okay, so the dot insert is kind of the same as the dot append, but look at all this garbage. Look at all this garbage. Look at all this shit. My name is indeed Jacob. Yes. Extend. What happens now? So we have this right here. This is with the dot. This right here is from the dot insert. This is now this. We're gonna run it and see what the dot extend does. Okay, so dot extend. Okay, that's fine. Dot extend. Okay, so if we ever need to do something to where we need to just extend it, it's best to use the dot extend. But if we ever need to do something to where it's like, manipulate inside of a list, then that's what we'll do. Okay, this shitty ruined my brain. Wait, this shit ruined my brain. Just saying. Have a great journey. If you're talking about the Python, yeah, it's currently ruining my brain. If you're talking about me, I'm very sorry, my friend. I'm very sorry. Baha Terra. You tell me I have 112. Hold up, we're gonna check that real quick. You tell me I have 112 subs. Oh, that's Gmail. Shit. We just doxed 50 people. That's okay. You're telling me I have 112 subscribers. You're telling me 50 people just not subscribed. Not 50, but like, oh shit, we're going up. W, massive W. Oh, the board. Okay, you know what? No, you're right. You're totally right. We need to adjust this amazing Bombaclats board right here. Okay. Oh my god. Lord. You beautiful, sexy individuals. Beautiful, sexy individual. Oh, yeah. 1K is coming soon. It's coming soon, my friend. You see that? Well, the camera's not going to focus because why the fuck would it? But that says 121. We're at 123. Would you look at that shit? Look at that. Bam. Absolute money. Absolute money in the bank account. Bam. Thank you, boys, for that. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you, boys. Thank you, boys. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. All right. Shall we continue, boys? Oh, my God. Who the fuck decided to subscribe right as I'm done? Right as I was done? Now the number changed. I appreciate you though, anyways. I appreciate appreciate you, my boys. I appreciate you, my boys. Thank you. Getting my cardio in for the day because of you guys. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, no, you can see it. Okay. Okay. We're going like this. Massive W's. Oh. Massive W's, my boys. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. All right, Python easy at start, but when you start pandas and numpty series, boom, my brain fudged. Fugged. Yeah. Okay. One may be curious. Why the fuck are we learning Python? Very good question. It's a very astute question, you know. Well, you see, this is a channel about not just robotics, but including a lot of robotics. So, we're trying to make a robot arm. That's what we're trying to do. And how do you make a robot arm move? You use giant BLDC motors with gear reducers on them. But how do you control this thing? Do you just put electricity in the wires? I fucking wish I wouldn't even be learning Python if that was the case. But unfortunately, that's not the case. You know what you have to do? Use a driver board. This is called the driver board. This is the ODrive Mini. ODrive Mini. Nice little piece of hardware right here. You attach this guy right here. And it does black magic, and then it makes it turn. It's and it does black magic. But how do you control this? Python. Wait. Python. Yeah, this is why we are learning Python. So if you're interested in robotics or making a robot arm or doing Arduino shit with Arduinos or doing awesome cool nerd shit, then consider subscribing. You already have though, because you're awesome. So thank you. I appreciate you, boys. Jacob. Jakku. I like this name. Jakku. I like Jakku. I think 1K soon today. Oh no, definitely not today. Yeah, definitely not today, my boy. Definitely not. Okay. But maybe. All right, 1K soon, 1K today. With your help, my friend, we might get there. Massive W on 24, though. Massive W on 924. I appreciate you. Actually, here soon, we're going to be doing a thing to where I'm going to have as many subscribers join a live stream at the exact same time. I'm going to have everybody unsubscribe. And then I'm going to say everyone subscribe. And then it's going to go up from, it's going to be plus and minus like 20 like per second. Yes, that was to your question. Yeah. All right. That's gonna be fun though. That's gonna be real cool because it's gonna like tweak with it's gonna tweak with YouTube a lot. But yeah, we'll get that going. Okay. Let's lock in, boys. Okay. I feel like a wizard every time I put this on. Okay. So we have just learned that the dot insert inserts shit into the shit, obviously. But the dot extend right here that extends. Obviously, it extends. Okay. Let's go with the. You're too kind, my friend. You're too kind. Too kind, my friend. Thank you. I appreciate you, my boy. I appreciate you. Okay. At any iterable. See, I might have 99,999 aura, but I am incapable of reading. So that's like minus 20 billion aura. So add any iterable. Okay, add any iterable. The extend dot blam. Do you do let No. No. We're gonna go like this. Like this. I'm assuming this is what you were talking about. If I see a single word that says AI, wait. Birthdays is let code AI. Python's trash? Well, I respectfully disagree. Because if you're trying to build a robot, a big bombaclat robot that's capable of extreme aura farming, well, then you're going to need some fucking Python for the driver board, my guy. That's learn C++. Your boy. Let me show you something real quick. Let me show you something. You see this? It's called the Arduino IDE, Integrated Development Environment. You know that. You know that. What do you think? What do you think we used to program this? What do you think I used to program this? You think I used Python? No. I use C++. C++ is indeed better than Python. I'll agree there. C++ is better than Python. But there's a big old but. Big old bombaclot but there. There are times when Python is just better. It's just better. Okay, let's see. C++ instead, sir. Yeah, just sometimes that's correct. I am CPP guy. Okay. Done mystery in it. Nice. Join the Minecraft server. We're getting a Minecraft server in the Discord. Obviously, you should subscribe. You big, beautiful, bosomed people. You should subscribe and join the Discord because we're gonna be getting a fucking Minecraft server so that we can procrastinate learning Python and play Minecraft. You know what I'm saying? You guys know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Okay, we have a wonderful question. What is our boy saying? All right, one sec. We're gonna. Oh, wait, like what time? Tell me. Times. Like what times? Tell me. Oh, like during what times do we use, Python? This time. Right there. Actually, we're gonna like this just a little bit. Hold up. We're gonna move this back right there. It's a wonderful question, right? We got a wonderful question. What time do you use Python inside of like Arduinos? You don't. This only runs on C++, but this runs on Python. This is a driver for this big, beautiful Brazilian bombaclat motor, capable of 135 Newton meters of torque. Yeah, it's powerful. It can push out some power. Okay, a lot of it, but you need Python in order to drive it. And that is why we're learning Python right now, currently. But we're going to get this robot arm up very soon. It's going to be so fun. And if you want to see, we're kind of at like, we're not really at day 0, but we're kind of starting fresh with this whole robot arm journey. If you want to like join the journey, consider subscribing, my guy. I mean, there's no gun to your head right now, but like, you should consider subscribing. That's all I'm saying. Okay. All right, let's read this amazing comment. Python is just a subpart for machine. You got to learn Python libraries like PEMNAS and mathematics and neural networks. AMD. Oh, and okay, I'm assuming that's and. You will you will look like this. But anyways, all the best, mate. Thank you, bro. All the best. Oh, all the best. I agree. We do have to learn a bunch of libraries. I agree. We are going to do some neural networks. We got this microwave PC. Okay, for those of you that are just joining right now, we had a wonderful question about neural networks. Why the fuck do you think I got an RTX 5080 and slapped it into my microwave? Why do you think we got that thing right there? We're going to be cooking, literally. And if you want to see me cook an egg on a 3D printer, we did that last video. But yeah, we got that thing to train some neural networks, my guy. We're going to be cooking. We're going to be cooking harder than last time. And if that arouses you in any way, like it does me, you should definitely consider subscribing because that'd be awesome. But yeah, no, I 100% agree. Okay, learn assembly. I wish. One day we'll be Bombaclots, Terry Davis, and we will learn all of assembly. Okay, we will do that. It's the most Giga Chad from all. It is, hands down. There's nothing beats Terry Davis and learning assembly, creating an entire OS from scratch. Nothing. Assembly all the way, biggest Giga Chad programming languages. Fight me over that opinion. That's true. This is a very true statement. Okay. Bird Heaven, you're trying to give us some fucking headache. Bird Heaven. Oh, that's the name of, okay, yeah. You're trying to give us some fucking, hey, dude, assembly will give you, not a headache, it'll give you a fucking seizure, okay? It'll give you, I try to look at, because the program that sent people to the moon was written in assembly. I learned a little bit of assembly so I can read through the thrust vector control mechanism inside the Saturn V rocket that was written in assembly. It was black magic. It was black magic. Assembly it was written by hand. By hand. By hand. Dude, they had wizards back then. Assembly is superior to all languages. This is hands down a factual statement. All right, I love C++ because it's the game. I love it for that reason as well. They are teaching assembly to us in college for some reason. The reason why is because it's good to understand why or how your computer hardware interacts with code. That's probably why. And that's important for learning anything else. It's like, why do you learn how to spell stuff? Probably so you can communicate. You know, so you got to get really good with that grammar shit. You know, it's really annoying, but you just got to do it. Don't they teach CPP? And I don't know anything. Jacob, age is 87. I'm not 87. I'm way older than that. Actually, we're going to go to ChatGPT because, actually, no, there's an AI. If you were 20 years old on Earth, how old would you be on Venus? Damn it. No, I'm younger than that. I am 32 years old on Venus. Actively, right now. 32 years old. 32 and a half years, okay? 32 and a half. I can almost run for presidency on Venus. But not yet. I'm not even 1 year old on, like, Uranus. Okay, I'm gonna stop with that. Okay. God damn it. Okay, can you guys how about this? You guys stop throwing fire comments, like amazingly awesome comments, and I get back to programming. Yours are too good. Okay, let's see. Yes, they do, bro. They thought CPP and Java. Okay, makes sense. I would learn anything but not Java. Understandable. That's understandable. Java is cancer, but it's cool. But it's cancer. I have a subject called Advanced Java in my course. Flexing. Dude, literally the next comment, casual flex. The next comment, casual flex. All right, I hate Java in all ways. Understandable. I also hate it. Understandable. Based. Understandable. Hello world. You know what? Just for you, my friend. Just for you. You know what? You are contractually, my friend, you are going to be contractually obligated to subscribe if I do this, okay? I'm going to like this. Bam, bam. We're going to go over here. We're going to like this. Oh my god. What is this seizure? You are contractually obligated to subscribe now. Contractually, by law. By the law that I just wrote just right now. Thank you for that new subby, by the way. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. But yeah, what else? What other shenanigans are you guys talking about? Get back to work, son. We're going to do that right now. You know what is more understandable? Your hair. Understandable. I agree. I agree to the highest extent, my friend. Okay, this is the demon timer. If you guys are unaware of it, it is a time in which, once it rings, I have to go back to my day job. Unfortunately, yes, I'm employed for now. But if you would like to help me get away from being employed, consider subscribing. That'd be amazing if you'd consider that right now. Because I like having a job, but holy shit. I would really like to just be able to program all day. But you can't, you know what I mean? You can't. Day job in that much time. So you should consider subscribing so I don't have to go to it. Genuinely, your subscription, Matt, like you subscribing, you hitting that button, it does help. And I appreciate it. And join the Discord if you did just subscribe. Join the Discord. It's in the channel bio page, like right here. Join the Discord. Love you, boys. Okay, let's get back to it. Let's see, did anyone subscribe? Holy motherfucker. Holy shit. God damn, we're cooking today. Okay, for you wonderful behemoths. Look what you done. Look what you done. Look at this. Money. Look at that. Money in the bank account. Okay, boys, let's get back to programming. We do have to, like, once that clock does go off, we do have to get back to our day job, unfortunately. Okay, let's get back to this shit. Get back to work, son. You know what is on... Yeah. Are you a current CS student? No, I am currently... I only have a job. That's the only thing going for me. I'm not in any college at all. I'm learning how to program from the internet. Damn, bro, turned from a coder to a high school bully into... That's world record speed, isn't it? You should speed run that shit. Coder to bully. I'll take your lunch money. I'll take your lunch money. I'll do it. Love you, my friend. You are too funny. No, you're too funny. Ladies and gentlemen, can we get a W's in chat? The goat, not me. Sir Ramo. Sir Ramo himself is here. Sir Ramo himself is here. Ramo, I hope you're having a swell time. I hope you are studying harder than last time for your fucking test. That is very soon. I think it's very soon, right? Yeah. I hope you're having a swell time, my friend. I hope you're having a swell time. Printing Hello World is wild. Is that better for you, my friend? Is that better for me, my friend? I hope that's a lot better for you. I hope that's way better for you. Okay, hey bro, let me give you a tip. Ooh, he's about to give me the tip. We're gonna take the full shaft and everything, or just the tip. Instead of learning to do many things in Python, I think it's smarter to just start with one big project and learning. My friends, okay, for those of you that are just joining, well, the reason why we're learning Python, I know I say this a lot, but it's important to get this straight. It's very important to get this straight. Oh my God. The reason why we're learning Python, is to build a robot arm. Big ass project, and we're just gonna learn shit on the way. We already learned everything with Arduino. Okay, that's a lie. We learned a lot with Arduino. There's an Arduino Mega, and a bunch of shit with Arduino. Now we need to control a bigger BLDC. This is a big BLDC with a gear. Jesus Christ, this mic will not stay. With a gear ratio on top of it. It's capable of 135 Newton meters of torque. Okay, that's a lot. You need this guy to do that. You need this guy. This is a driver board. It runs on Python. Arduino tells this thing what to do. Arduino's in C++. This thing's in Python. This thing communicates with this thing very precisely. Arduino can't do that. This is why we are learning Python. And it's going to be, it's so fun. It's so fun because Python is a lot more intuitive compared to other languages, as you individuals know, as you intellects already know. So if this is something you were interested in, you should tickle my fucking pickle and hit that subscribe button. Okay? Because I got to go back to my day job in about 6 minutes. And unfortunately, I would really like to be here instead, talking with you guys, learning about Arduinos and Python. But yeah, our boy, thank you for the tip. I think I received the whole shaft instead of your tip. We appreciate that. Hell yeah, I'm studying W, Ramo. W. Yup, it's about Python too. Oh yeah. That way you also know why it is important and how you can use it. The lazy cat 000. I 100% agree. I 100% agree. You are correct. That is a factual statement, and that is exactly what we're doing. We're doing a giant project, and we're learning as much stuff along the way and stuff that's applicable. You know, we're not just learning how to do Python. We're learning it to make a thick bombaclat robot arm that can jerk me off. Not really, but okay, I'm gonna stop. But yeah, so yeah, don't worry. That's totally what. Bro, you build your own X. Just search it up. Trust me, please, bro. Oh, trust me, bro. Bro, do build your own X. X. What is X? Please specify on what is X. Oh, what's up, my boy? What's up? Oh, I gotta get to a few more comments. Jesus Christ, I did no learning of Python. I'm gonna literally in my lunch break, I'm gonna have instead because I've been reading you guys' comments during my lunch break today. I'm gonna have to sit down and just go through this shit again because I've been reading your guys' comments. But hey, if you guys subscribe, it makes it worth it. It makes it all worth it. So, thank you for considering, because you definitely considered it. You definitely considered hitting that little button to subscribe, and you definitely considered joining the Discord, because we're gonna be doing lots of Minecraft, lots of code, lots of help. I appreciate you boys. Appreciate you boys. Okay, what else are y'all saying? I have 2 kilobytes of RAM. Please send me some. Well, unfortunately, I only have 32 gigabytes of DDR5. And the RTX 5080 Founders Edition only has 16 gigabytes of DDR7. So I'm pretty poor myself. Definitely not 2 kilobytes. That's... Homie is running the Saturn V rocket. That's what's happening. Homie's running the Saturn V rocket. I'm computer beginner. Complete beginner. Ooh, we got a wonderful... I'm complete beginner. Will I learn stuff if I keep watching you? I just can't start... I can't start programming, but I know if I start and get the basics done, I won't fear it anymore. Okay, wonderful question, wonderful question. Stick with me for like 3 more seconds, my friend. Stick with me for 3 more seconds. 3 more seconds, okay? I have the perfect recommendation for you, okay? We're gonna go like this, bro code right there, bro code. Here's the thing. if you want to learn how to program, you saying I'm a complete beginner. Okay, to answer the first question, will you learn stuff from watching me? Absolutely. About programming? Probably not. But are you going to learn how many atoms are inside of the human body, or how many calories are in the human body? 130,000. Yeah, you just learned something. But about programming, absolutely not. Most certainly not. I just started programming, but I know if I start, you'll get the hang of it. Here's what you need to do. You need to decide on a language. Decide on what you need to do first. Are you doing web development? Are you doing robotics like I am? Like robotics and make stuff actually move in the real world? Do that? Are you trying to do machine learning? Are you trying to make shit? You know what I mean? Or are you trying to data science, security, whatever? You need to figure out what it is you're trying to do first. Oh my god, it's top chat is on again. That's so annoying. Okay. And you need to say what is for the thing that I want to do. For me, it's robotics. But for you, you can be like, what do I want to do? And then you need to ask yourself, what is the best programming language that accomplishes this task? Sometimes there's multiple. For me, C++ and Python. See, it's 2 languages. But this is what you have to do. You have to understand what it is you want to do, and then you go right here. Go over to Brocode. Actually, let me move my fat face for a second. Go over to Brocode, right here. You look up one of his amazing videos, and you watch the entire 12-hour-long course for free. And literally, it's watching a YouTube video. Open up your IDE, Integrated Development Environment, and then you're going to start cooking. And then once you get the hang of this, it's literally just one after another. It's literally taking baby steps. It's the very first step that's so, like, wonderful word that you used right here. Fear. This is a word that so many people would describe starting their freaking their journey with programming. Fear. It's scary. It's really intimidating. So just start with asking yourself, 1, what am I trying to accomplish? 2, what programming language is going to help me accomplish that? And 3, who on YouTube am I going to follow for the next 12 hours of my life? Simple as that. Stick to one video. It's called tutorial hell. Okay? Stick to one video. Don't jump around like I did. Stick to one video, and then you're cooking, brother. Then you're fucking cooking with butter, with a little bit of garlic, a little bit of a zest, a little bit of salt on there. You know what I mean? You're gonna be cooking like Gordon Ramsay. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I hope that answers your question, and I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad that you're a beginner at programming and you clicked on this type of video. That's a massive W. Okay. I hope that answers my question, or your question. LMAO, I thought you were just learning Python features by... The demon timer just went off, but that's okay. I have exactly 4 minutes to get to work, otherwise I'll be late. That's okay. I would rather be here. Hey, if you're just joining, I am late to work right now. I'm late to work right now. Instead of going to work, I'm gonna read your guys' comments. So if you would consider subscribing, that would mean a lot to me. That really would mean a lot to me. Thank you, all of you that did. I sincerely appreciate it. But I'm going to read a few more comments, and then I sincerely have to go to work. I'm actively late, and I'm going to be losing money in exactly 3.5 minutes. Okay, so let's read your comment. Okay. LMAO, thought you were just learning Python feature by feature. Oh, I see. Feature by feature. Okay. Which I did. Was a bad decision. I understand what you mean, my friend. Yeah, and I did that with C++, or some of C++. It's, it is not. It's. Oh my God. It's hell when you do it like that. It's hell. But don't worry. We have structure. If you want, my friend, Stellar 14Y. If you want, go to this W3 Schools and go to this. It's $3. It's $3. You have $3 to spend. You can do that. Oh yeah, what's up, my boy? I hope that you're having an amazing afternoon, my friend. I hope you are. I truly do. And let's see. Be more aggressive to. Baby, if you want me to smack you, just let me know. If you want me to smack you, just let me know. Just let me know. Okay? Our safe word will be pineapples. Okay? Well, our safe word will be pineapples. Okay? If I get a little too rough with you, just say pineapple. Okay? Don't worry, we'll have a good time. We'll have a good time. Okay? Okay. Are you a pro gamer? Am I a pro gamer? Am I a pro gamer? At life, maybe. At life, maybe. At life, I'm probably the best gamer there is because I'm learning Python instead of going to work right now. So I'm easily the best gamer there is. Easily. But on Minecraft, no. At Art Creators, no. I'm not a pro gamer. No. But at life though, absolutely. Okay. Python sounds very sound for me. Absolutely awesome. That's so sick. Try Python. Make sure that Python is what you need though, because Python is a rabbit hole. Okay, it is a rabbit hole that gets deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. But it's fun though, because once you understand, once you can look at some code and you're like, oh, I understand that. It's like an orgasm in your pants every time like your code fucking runs properly. It's like, it's so great. There's not a way of describing it. Holy shit, I am actively late to work. Boys, if you enjoyed like this little tiny moment you had with me, yeah, we didn't do any learning of programming. We like literally we're supposed to get through this course right now. If you enjoyed this, and if you want to see more of it, maybe, if you want to continue this journey, and instead of doom scrolling, you want to watch some idiot, or maybe you don't even need to watch me, just I'd really appreciate it if you consider subscribing. It would really mean a lot. I'm actively late to work because my dumbass wants to read your guys' comments, amazing comments, and thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. Sincerely, I do. Okay, like a few more. It's like cracked my brain. It's like cracked my ADHD. And then I'll go to work. Okay. Can you write your aggressive steps in a Python script? I can, but I'm not going to right now. But that's okay. We will. If you subscribe, we most certainly will. We most certainly will, my friend. Don't you even worry, baby. Don't you even worry. Daddy's got you. I'll be aggressive with you. Okay. Okay. Day job. No, day job is I'm actively late. I need to go. I think true mastery of Python can be done through projects. I 100% agree. Projects. This is why we're building a giant ass thick Bombaclot robot arm. That's exactly why we're doing that. So yeah, I 100% agree. Let's see. You got a denial Tharizer vibe. Who the fuck is this? I hope I'm not looking up like a porn star or anything. Let's see, guys. Who is this? You see, I'll take that if his testosterone levels are at least 3,000 times regular, than 3,000 times higher than a regular human. Other than that, I don't know about that. Let's see. Go search him up on the. Oh, that's literally the next thing. What's up, my guy? Yeah, what is up? How are you guys doing? Bro, it's speedrunning chat. Exactly. I'm new here. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I hope that you boys have a swell fucking. Today's your birthday, my boy. Can we get W's in chat for boy's birthday? Can we get some W's in chat? Massive W's. Massive. Oh my god. What just fucking happened? Are we still live? What the fuck just happened? Holy shit. What? Hold up. Hold up. Oh my god. I don't even know if we're still live. One moment, please. Oh, massive W's. Massive W's. Okay, boys. As per usual, we're gonna end this with a schizophrenic rant. I hope you boys are doing swell. I hope you boys are doing well in life. Matt, like amazing, amazing, amazing. Happy birthday. I hope that you guys have an amazing rest of your day. And of course, as always, stay focused, my boys. Stay focused. Where is it? Why is this doing this? There we are. Cover your ears.
Con un'aria strana che gira, stanca tutta la città. A un certo punto della passeggiata mi chiama da una parte un ragazzino. Sembrava a prima vista tanto per benino. Si offre a far da guida per la città. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 Pedro,
Goodbye, boys. I love you. Goodbye, boys. And remember, of course, stay focused. Mwah.